welcome to hgtv. So come on in. As you can see, just quickly looking around, ceilings, floors. This was a smoker house, as we call it. There's nicotine and tar everywhere. You look at the ceiling right now, the stains. We have already cleaned it once. So what we're going to have to do is come in and we use a product from Sherwin-Williams. It's a shellac product, which will literally encapsulate everything and kill the smoker smell. We run into a lot of this on these flips, and just wait until you see the end of it. So come on in. The kitchen was originally just a small kitchen, boxed in, very small. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this wall over here. And if you come over to here, into this room, this will create one big family kitchen. Open room. It's going to look absolutely gorgeous when it's done. You'll be able to just walk right into the kitchen, a center island. So in doing that, there's structural things we do, actually have engineered and all that kind of thing. So we're going to come in and we're going to put in a structural beam that will go across the entire room. And sometimes they need a beam support, sometimes it's a steel beam. This one is going to have to be a supported beam. So all that kind of stuff is done through engineering and permitting. So in this room, we are going to get rid of the attic access. There's another one in the house. So this will be a nice, clean family room into the kitchen. Obviously, new appliances, all new countertops, all new kitchen tops. In this bathroom, we're going to do a partial rehab. Whereas we're going to put a new tub shower in, and then we'll paint this vanities nice and new. So we're going to paint the vanity and then just change out the mirror, lights, that kind of thing. So we decided, as you can see, all these casings are off everywhere. We decided we're going to put all new doors, interior doors, casings, closet doors, everything. So when this thing's rehab, it's going to have that nice, fresh, clean, and new feel to it. Then looking around, we're going to shellac everything. Floors, ceilings, walls, everything. And that, of course, will give us a nice coat on these dark colors so that we don't have any bleeding through. And that's, again, shellac is a product that's made because you can paint a ceiling, it looks good, the next day you come in here and everything's bled right through and you got to do it all over again. So, nice to do it right the first time. Take a little walk in the basement here. Watch yourself. We don't have a railing. So before we get going on this house, I'll have a temporary railing put in here for safety. So in the basement here, it was a partially finished basement, so we just gutted out everything and we're going to start over. So in this side over here, we already have an egress window. So we're going to utilize this space. We're going to frame it out. Frame all the walls, sheetrock it out, and we'll have a nice bedroom right here. This area here will be kind of a family type of room. And then we'll come around over to here, and we're going to utilize this space as another bedroom. So we'll be putting in an egress window. So we'll be backing out all this right here, and you'll have an egress window here. This area here will be utilized underneath the steps for closet space. So this will be all closed up, and you'll have a closet right here. And you'll have extra room storage back here, along with shelf and clothes and hanging stuff there. This area here will stay, over here is going to stay typically the same. It will be a small laundry room. We will have a door here and have a door here, so this is all going to be kind of closed off and finished. It will look really nice when it's done. So we'll be putting in a new shower surround with bottom, small vanity, toilet. And this will all be a finished bathroom then. Everything, the guts of it are all here. All we got to do is finish this one off. Stay tuned to see the rest. I'm excited. This is going to be a good one.